Quick thoughts on QQQ and SPY. I think that more downside is actually more likely short term. I think that this is just a momentary bounce. Could take a day or two. I'm actually looking for something like this on QQQ. The reason I say that is if you look at the length of this A wave, and then you look at the B wave, we're not even close to the bottom if they're the same length. And usually they're the same length. That's at 280. I think it could go all the way down to 275, but most likely 280. In order to get there, again, you can look at the length of this. So we got the A wave here. And let's say we go to 297, 298. I think that would be about the right area to start shorting again. But within this move right here, we're probably looking at something of a pullback to like 289, 290 maybe, and then move up here to 297, 298, and then sell off. So I think that there's still potentially a good long opportunity here at 289, 290, and then go higher. But then I would be looking probably to short. But it all depends on the structure. We'll see how the structure plays out. SPY would probably do something similar, but it's already hit a good target for this final wave down. It's already hit the exact same length. So we have 407 to 381. This one's 418 to 393. That's 25 points. This is about 25 points too. So you could say that SPY is actually finished with a dip. And maybe QQQ is too. But I'm just thinking that maybe QQQ has a little bit more downside. Maybe SPY bottomed and it starts moving up and then pulls back as QQQ makes its final bottom. I'm not 100% sure, but SPY should at least bounce to 396. So I'm going to use this instead. Mouse is absolutely horrible. Anyway, I think up here to 396 would allow SPY to go all the way back down to potentially 360, right, for the JP Morgan caller by the 31st. I don't know, maybe. That's possible. Or it bottomed here and we're starting to move up. If we look at lower time frames, it's looking highly corrective to me. So I think this is probably just the A wave, just like on QQQ. And you might have a good long opportunity here up to 396. So we got down here at 380, top here at 390. So maybe a pullback to like 384, 385, and then a move higher up to 396. I'm probably going to look to go long on QQQ with a stop at some point, maybe below a demand zone. I haven't determined that yet. Let me look at this on lower time frames. But really, probably something below the low. But the low was all the way at 285. So you'd be risking, if you got in at 289, you'd be risking $4 to make probably like 9 or 10 bucks. So not a bad risk reward, but maybe not the best. If you really want to be safe, you could just sell some puts here and then buy them back up here. That's my thoughts right now. We'll see how it plays out. I'll do an update later.